Welcome to Moving North East. We recently moved up to the North East since COVID. We are Andy and Sugar. Come and explore with us. We're just in Ely at the moment and come down for my mum's birthday, all the way down from Newcastle. And she's put up these decorations for what purpose?
King's Jubilee.
For the King's Jubilee.
No, the King's coronation.
The King's coronation.
Oh, King's coronation.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So who's the king?
Not you. It's on a Thursday, a Saturday and a Sunday. Sunday there's not so much here, it's just these bits, but Saturday it's really busy.
Yeah. Is it called Ely Market?
Yeah.
The market itself is located in the centre of the town, in the pedestrianised area. It has a mixture of food and non-food items which you can buy. The highlight of the market, I will say, has to be the coffee by Silver Oak Coffee, which is fantastic. The market isn't too large, but we found that the market has quite a nice, warm, friendly atmosphere. Something that you could soak up on the weekend that just makes you a nice day out.
So we're chili freaks and we do a whole range of heats, some very mild, all the way up, the further north you go, to our hottest ones here. But what is different to our sauces is everything is allergen free, so if people got gluten issues or celiacs, vegan or vegetarian, every one of these products they can have.
Brilliant. Thank you.
We walked through the little passageway into the gardens at the back of the cathedral. The video camera really doesn't give justice to the absolute scale and size of this place. The size of this cathedral is absolutely massive. It's very, very impressive. There's a very grand door coming into the main cathedral. You enter into the main hallway with a gift shop to your left, where you can buy tickets to enter the rest of the cathedral, or the stained glass museum if you wish to also visit the stained glass museum. Once again, the camera really doesn't do justice to the sheer scale of this building. The ceilings are absolutely huge. This area, I was joking saying that you could fly aeroplanes in there. Trust our luck to be here on a Monday. Surprisingly, very much in the town centre, at the park.
And this is called Cherry Hilltop. Is it Cherry Hill?
Yeah, this is Cherry Hill Park, and it leads down into the Jubilee Park and then onto the river. From the cathedral, so it's the just Jubilee a short Park wander is next to the river. Through the parks down to the river, which is quite a nice walk in itself. It's down a small hill, and then you can walk back up through the high street or the way that you came if you wish to. Just pointing out the statue of the eel, because Ely itself was surrounded by marshlands, and it's very famous for eel fishing, where the main industry was catching eels. Not so much now. The river itself and canal is now mainly tourism. It's got canal boats on there, and it's really quite beautiful. Of course, plenty of pubs and restaurants down here for a nice summer's day.
These geezers are, look at them,
Yeah,
they're cute.
2 male ducks and a lady duck.
Oh gosh, baby ducks.
The Waterside Antiques is certainly worth a quick look around. It's quite impressive with its collection of almost randomness from a non-antique collector, for certain. It's all organised into certain areas, and you walk through across 3 floors in its various areas. The building itself is very, very appropriate for an antique shop. It's just such an experience, and I'm sure you can find anything you're looking for. If it's old, it's in there. The stock is amazing.
So you moved to Ely about 2 years ago. What would you say is the best parts and the worst parts of Ely?
Oh, it's miles away from seeing. What do I like about Ely? The parking's free. It's not too crowded. It's not too big. It's clean.
Just outside Oliver Cromwell's house, that he was to live here in between 1636 and 1646. He was the man known for banning Christmas. Oliver Cromwell the Grinch.
But it was not actually him, it was Parliament, but he got the blame.
Yeah, Parliament banned Christmas, he got the blame. He was not a very liked person because he was head of the army, and
he was
quite brutal when it came to political moves. He used the army a lot for it. I think we should get one of these for our back garden.
What was that?
The big torch.
Oh my God.
Maybe for a front garden. Fortunately, when we were looking for the Ely Museum, one of the signposts for the museum that we were following had been turned around, most likely by kids, and it was pointing in the wrong direction. So it took us up the back of Waitrose, but eventually we did find it. The museum itself was located up at the end of the high street, at the front end of the cathedral, would be the best way of describing it. But of course you will pass this lovely cake shop that has got some most impressive artwork, which are cakes. Just avoid Mondays in Ely if you come here, because Monday seems to be the new Sunday. Everything's shut.
Everything shut. See, we tried Stone Museum, that closed. Also this one is closed as well, Ely Museum.
WI were decorating the market and the town with the decorations here. The reason why we were so interested in these was because my mother and my aunt were involved in them. Not the mailbox though. Ely itself is a very small city. It has free parking, it's very clean, and people are friendly. It seems to be a very nice place to visit and a lovely place to live, from what I can tell. At least that's what my mother tells me. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.